Imagine a world where your laptop doesn't just follow your orders but also understands your needs in advance, adapts itself to your preferences, and intelligently enhances every task. Microsoft recently unveiled Copilot Plus on PC. Microsoft launched the Surface Pro and Surface Laptop on May 20th. These laptops are the first devices based on the Copilot Plus PC platform powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon X series processors. Copilot Plus PC is the next-generation artificial intelligence PC, combining a new set of hardware capabilities with a new version of Windows to deliver a new experience to PC users of all types. With the intense focus on AI these days, it's no surprise to hear that one of the key advancements of the Copilot Plus PC is the improved performance of applications and services that use artificial intelligence. With AI at its core, this laptop promises improved performance, longer battery life, and exciting features. The Surface Laptop 6 with the Snapdragon X Elite chipset is claimed to be 86% faster than its predecessor, the Surface Laptop 5, and 58% faster than a MacBook Air with the M3 chip. For example, Microsoft released a new feature called Recall in special editions of Windows as part of the announcement, which essentially gives your PC an all-encompassing digital memory. Recall allows you to search or scroll back through any document, Zoom call, email, or other task. For example, you talk to your family on a video call. You want to remember this moment. That Recall will help you. Also, a key differentiator between the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite and X Plus chips is the Neural Processing Unit (NPU). This dedicated NPU is capable of executing 40 trillion operations per second. It's a new component for PCs designed to perform certain types of tasks much faster and more energy efficiently than they could be done on the main processor or graphics chip alone. This new NPU enables features like the previously mentioned Recall. It can be used to improve the performance and energy efficiency of video conferencing applications, content creation tools, gaming resolutions, and more. Most amazingly, it offers the ability to run some generative AI-powered applications like automatic text and image generation directly on the PC without the need for an internet connection. Let's take a look at what it has in terms of specifications. Display, available in both 13-inch LCD and OLED options. Processor options, Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus, Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite. RAM, 16GB and 32GB. Storage options, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Battery life, up to 14 hours of local video playback. Network connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5G available later. Colors available are Platinum, Black, Dune, and Sapphire. Weight, 2 pounds, 900 grams. At the Microsoft launch event, Microsoft announced that these new Copilot Plus PCs will start at $999. The Surface Pro and Surface laptops will be available for pre-order in select countries starting on June 18th. The debut of Copilot Plus PC ushered in a new era in technology. While PCs have gone through many changes, Copilot Plus is the biggest step forward. By incorporating the NPU, PCs will now accelerate the development of AI software and services. With powerful processing power and artificial intelligence, these laptops will take our computing experience to a new level. Copilot Plus PC opens up new horizons with innovative features and advanced performance. Its power will increase with time. It's not just a laptop, it will be your digital companion.